Alright guys, I screwed the pooch this morning and I deleted all my videos that I was trying to do tutorial on the stainless steel brake line. But here's what we got. I replaced the stainless steel line, or with the stainless steel line. Had to crimp these down to hold the grommets in the grommets. I had to reuse the outer grommets to fit those guides. And then this thing was normally flipped the other way, and the old brake line ran down along the line, then came down here and mounted up here from the back. Now the feature about the stainless steel line is to run it this way, flip this bracket to this position, grommet it up, and bring the stainless steel cable up and over and mount it this way, so there's less chance of it being caught by any brush. And plus, since it's stainless steel, you get better braking power because the rubber line doesn't expand. So that's the deal. Sorry I deleted that. But yeah. And I've ridden it to work and home today, and it's doing really well. And this this brake line's made by venhill.co.uk. So it comes from England. See how popular the KLR is? And then while I had everything off, I repainted my reservoir cover, and once again I repainted the rear master cylinder guard. So that should make her good for this winter. And eventually we're going to replace this, not that one. We're going to replace this front friggin' brake line with a stainless steel as soon as I find one. They make it, but I haven't found a company that's got it. And there's the repainted blue windshield. I repainted it and I painted it blue. I got the Fear of the Goat, and I'm waiting for a new one to come in, and then I'll seal that one down. And we'll go back here and give you a look at it from the front. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the stark contrast between the black and blue. So I'm thinking on that too. Maybe I'll paint that one black part blue. So we'll talk to you later.